It's a big dog. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of surface area to cover. It can actually take.
Yeah. There's not light though.
It's an overabundance of cuteness. He's gonna attack you if you move, Amber. That's what we need, some video of him. Is it really taping all this?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
What do you think of that, Amber?
Mostly she's worried about her mother being so close. But... Couple licks for yourself too, Al? Aww.
Amber just sitting in taking it all in stride. Another day with that damn kid on my back.
You guys could be on the internet.
He laid like on the dog now.
That's what he was doing the whole time, baby.
Oh, I thought he was cleaning
No, that's what I
himself.
was telling you. He was liking her. That's what I'm saying. It's gonna take him a couple days.
A little nudge.